Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Seamless.ai to enrich LinkedIn lead data, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Seamless.ai account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the LinkedIn integration option in the menu. Click on LinkedIn to access the integration settings. You will see an option to connect your LinkedIn account. Click on the Connect button. A prompt will appear, asking you to authorize Seamless.ai to access your LinkedIn data. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant permissions. Once authorized, return to the Seamless.ai dashboard. Next, locate the Data Enrichment feature within the dashboard. Click on Data Enrichment to start enriching your lead data. You will now see options to customize your enrichment settings. Choose the parameters you want to enrich, such as email address or phone number. After selecting the parameters, click on the Enrich button. Seamless.ai will begin processing your LinkedIn connections. Wait for the system to complete the enrichment process. Once finished, you will see a list of enriched leads. Review the enriched lead data for accuracy. If satisfied, you can export the enriched data to your preferred format. Repeat this process as needed to continuously enrich your LinkedIn leads. Remember to keep your permissions up to date for seamless integration. Ensure you're logged into both Seamless.ai and LinkedIn for optimal functionality. This completes the detailed guide on enabling Seamless.ai to enrich LinkedIn lead data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.